Alright, I'm over here at the garage today. Today, we're going to sand down the bondo and body filler that we put on yesterday, and then also see if there's any other spots that need to be patched and smoothed out. Basically, just get it ready for paint, because this weekend should be the color coats, and super excited about that. Okay, so we got the car here. We got the bondo in the problem areas. And we got most of the dents filled. Pretty much just got to hit it with the sander to level out those areas. The rest of the car is completely sanded. And I'll be ready to paint it this weekend. Pretty excited, honestly. Alright. Yeah, probably start with the hand sander and then go from there. Alright, so now we got the hand sander and we're just gonna basically knock it down so it's smooth. So one thing that you want to watch out for, I was actually reading this in Super Street magazine today, is you want to hit the edges of the doors with your sander, because they said if your paint's going to start failing and chipping, most likely it's going to be on those corners. So make sure you don't skip it. So I've gotten this knocked down pretty well. I'm just going over it with a hand sander to kind of smooth it out. But luckily there wasn't too many dents or dings on the car. It's not like it was missing any panels or anything like that. Pretty excited. I can get this knocked out, and then I'll probably leave it for tonight and clean up the car next time I come over. And make sure I have the paint to start laying down. Okay, so I basically just hit it now with the sanding block by hand. I got it all smoothed down. It honestly is smoother and nicer than the day I bought it, so pretty excited. Next time I come over, I got to get it cleaned up again because now it's got all the sanding dust particles all over it. And then probably build myself a little paint booth and do the paint. Excited for the paint color I'm gonna choose. It's like a very familiar color for a lot of you guys. You'll notice it if you like Subarus. And all right, I'm gonna take off and head back, but it's been fun. I'll edit this and post it. That way you guys can follow along.